Hello English Pals Online, hari ini temenin Mem Ana yuk. Mem Ana ada tugas nih ya. Tugas tutorial 2 reading for. Kita baca yuk. Iseng aja sih Mem Ana. Jadi sambil Mem Ana videoin, Mem Ana sambil baca ceritanya, nanti kita bahas ya. Okay, so I will read from the text A. Do you want to ruin your child by putting them in front of the television? Recent studies from all over the world show how badly television can affect a child's growth physically and mentally. Television is a negative influence on kids and therefore TV watching must be limited. First, TV is a bad influence on kids because children who watch more TV are more likely to be overweight. For example, researchers Clagus, Shelton, and Clusters found that while watching television, the metabolic rate is lower than when just resting. This implies that an individual would burn fewer calories watching TV than when simply sitting silently doing nothing. In addition, numerous TV ads encourage unhealthy consumption habits. 2/3 of the 20,000 television ads a normal kid sees every year are for food, and most are for high-sugar foods. After-school television ads target youngsters with ads for unhealthy foods and beverages, such as fast food and surgery drinks. This evidence shows that kids who watch more TV are more likely to be overweight. Secondly, television is a bad influence on kids because watching TV at an early age can affect children's brain development. For instance, the early years of youngsters are important to their development. The American Academy of Pediatrics is worried about the effect of customizing TV for kids younger than age 2 and how could it influence kids' improvement. Pediatricians are firmly against programming modified, especially for young children, particularly when it is utilized to market toys, games, dolls, unhealthy foods, and other items to babies. Furthermore, television will discourage and replace reading. Reading needs much more thinking than TV, and we realize that producing books encourages youngsters' healthy brain improvement. Kids from families that have the TV on a lot invest less time reading and being read to and are less likely to be able to read. These evidences show kids watching TV at an early age can affect children's brain development. Lastly, television is a bad influence on kids because TV is full of programs and commercials that show risky behaviors that can affect the child's actions. Required ads on TV have really expanded throughout the most recent few years and more underage children are presented than any other time in history. The recent study by the Center on Alcohol Marketing and Youth found that adolescent presentation to liquor ads on TV expanded by 30% from 2001 to 2006. In addition, despite the fact they have banned smoke ads on TV, children and teenagers can in any case see more than enough individuals smoking on programs and movies on television. Ooh. This sort of product placement makes practices like smoking and drinking liquor appear okay. Moreover, kids who watch 5 or more hours of television every day are much less averse to start smoking cigarettes than the individuals who watch less than the prescribed 2 hours a day. This evidence shows TV is full of programs and commercials that show risky behaviors that can affect the child's action. Television is a bad influence on kids. Some reason why are kids who watch TV are more likely to be overweight. Watching TV at an early age can affect children's brain development, and TV is full programs and commercials that show risky behaviors that can affect the child's actions. Therefore, parents must be more aware of the hours of your kids watch TV and make your kids go outside and get active for a better future. Okay, this is taken from HTTPS, and you can read the rest of them. Okay, so I'm so sorry about the inconvenience. Just like, sorry, I want to cough. Sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's not really prepared. Yeah, it's not really prepared because I just pressed the button to just do screenshot this screen, and then I just put on my headset and try to record these things. I don't know, it's just for fun. Okay, so yeah, for those who you are, I'm still learning too. I'm not a professional teachers, I think, or professional English speakers, but I just wanna study with you guys. So this is what I did. This is what my activity to speak English better and better day by day. Okay, so my suggestion, maybe you can try just like what I did just now, so you could practice your speaking skills or reading skills. That's it. Okay. Too much claptrap. All right, thank you so much, Pauls, for today. See you. Bye, guys.